All right. Hello. I think we are live on Zoom and we are live on Facebook in the private group. So I just wanted to jump on real quick and talk to everybody today about the wellness kit that is the immunity kit. So this is, we talked about this a little bit last week in the call, and it is a 3-month subscription. So for 3 months, you're going to get 3 different sets of products. They're going to come to your home automatically. Once you set up the wellness kit order, you don't have to do anything to get months 2 and 3 to kick in. It's $75 a month for 3 months. And again, we're going to just talk real briefly about what the products are that are in the 3 different kits. So I already got my kit, my month 1 kit for the immunity kit. So it looks like this. It comes in a box, in a cardboard box. It's easy to recycle. I love that. So then when I open this box, I see 3 things in here. I see one of the hand soap refills, which is the 16-ounce hand soap refill. I see a dispenser for the foaming hand soap. So I can fill this 2 to 4 times, depending on whether I dilute it or not. I do always dilute mine just to make it go a little further. But if it's in a particularly germy part of the house, like the bathroom, I might just do full strength in there. So we've got the soap and the dispenser, and then we've got this cool bag. So this bag is, again, the month 1 immunity kit. And in months 2 and 3, you're going to get products for this bag, but you're not going to get the bag again. So this sleeve slides off. It's a really nice bag. It's orange because of On Guard, and it is made from recycled material. It's got a nice zipper. It's got a nice handle. And you're going to see that inside of here are the month 1 products. So instead of taking the time to pull all these out, I will just tell you what they are. So you are going to get, well, we can look at some of the ones, I guess, that aren't too wrapped up. That's just packing paper. So you are going to get the beloved On Guard essential oil blend, which will be put in your diffuser, be put on the bottoms of your feet, put a drop or 2 in a cup of warm lemon water to really be a nice kind of spicy treat and immune booster. So the oil smells amazing. It smells like fall. Have it going in all of your diffusers, especially if people are coming over. Love it, love it, love it. Can't say enough about it. You're going to get the sanitizing mist in the On Guard line as well. And this is, I just used this today. I'm at the library. If you wondered what that map was behind me, just trying to get some work done today, not at home where it's a little distracting. So I had to use this coming in. It was one of the library requirements, and I was able to use this instead of their toxic hand sanitizer that's got some chemicals that I don't really want to get on my hands and touch my face with and whatever. So love the On Guard sanitizing mist. You need one in every door pocket, in your purse. Your kids need it on their backpack if they're going to school. You're going to get 2 more oils that help clean and boost our immunity. Purify is the first one, and Wild Orange is the second. And these are the nice 15 milliliter size. So these are great. These are going to last you a long time. Purify is my laundry oil. So I do use the On Guard laundry detergent, but for extra smelly loads like the wet towels that lay around and get stinky, the kitchen towels and things like that, I put a few drops of this in the washing machine with the detergent, and I am good to go. Everything smells amazing. I can put more on my dryer balls, my wool dryer balls, when they go into the dryer. So love, love, love Purify. It's just like it sounds. It's super clean and just really refreshing. And I love to also diffuse that as well. The Wild Orange is kind of everything that I love about citrus. I think we've talked about Wild Orange before. It's that smell you get when you peel an orange, and the essential oils from the orange rind actually go into your fingernails, and you can enjoy that. That's the orange citrus sinensis essential oil, which is very uplifting, very calming. Great one in the diffuser when the kids are trying to do homework, or maybe they're homeschooling and you're having to work from home. Great one to have in the diffuser for everybody. Mix it with the On Guard, mix it with Purify. Just do everything you can to boost your immune system this fall and winter. So you may have seen a couple videos ago that we upgraded and reformulated the toothpaste. So it's still all everything we love about On Guard, but it's now more remineralizing, more whitening, and you are going to get a great little pack of the samples, so you can take these on a trip or have these in your purse. If you want to, freshen up your teeth during the day. So it's about this is probably at least two applications in this little kind of pixie stick looking thing that's going to come in this pack. So it'll give you a great way to try the toothpaste, and I highly recommend you use the toothpaste because we just can't get enough On Guard in us or on us to boost our immunity. So, and then you're also going to get the On Guard dental floss. This was a special item that we don't always sell, so it's cool that it came in the kit. It was a limited time offering a few years ago, and then they sold it kind of in the back office. You had to know it was there. So love this. I love that the flavor of the dental floss isn't made with fake chemicals. This is actually the On Guard essential oil giving you that great spicy flavor. So that is month one. And so we're going to put all this back in our bag and we're going to wait for all the goodies that come in month two. And when you fall in love with the hand soap that came in your first one, if you haven't had the hand soap in your house, you are missing out. And the hand soap is amazing, and it kills germs. It'll keep that cold from passing around the family. So you really need to have On Guard in every room where you have a sink in your house. So it's absolutely by every sink in my house. So I'm just going to tell you real briefly what are in the month two and month three wellness kits for the immunity blend. Sorry, I put my glasses on because it's on my phone. So you're going to get the On Guard soft gels, which is a little supplement that you can take at night before bed. You can take it in the morning. Um, and it is going to just again boost the immune system. It's called On Guard Plus gel caps because it has Melissa and black pepper in it in addition to the On Guard blend. So it's the absolutely the most cost effective way to get Melissa into your body internally. And Melissa is just an amazing oil that's very strong, very powerful, very cleansing. And if you look it up in somewhere like PubMed.gov, you can read all about its antiviral properties. So it's definitely one that I want on hand this time of year. If I feel a scratchy throat coming on, or if I'm going to be around, maybe kids that are back at school and I want to just make sure I'm extra protected, the On Guard soft gels are going to be something that I put into my daily routine. I've been taking it with my bedtime supplement routine this week just because I've been out in public, I've been around kids, I just want to make sure I'm fortified. So you're also going to get the On Guard beadlets. If you don't know what the beadlets are, those are very cool as well. They're just a tiny little, like a pearl, like a small, small pearl. And it's about a half a drop of oil. They're safe to give to your kids. It's a great way to get something internal into the little kids because there's not much to swallow. You can hide it in applesauce or yogurt or anything really. And it is just the On Guard oil, but again, it is probably between a quarter and a half a drop. So not much. I like to have them in my purse. If somebody's coughing around me, or again, I just feel like maybe I'm getting a little run down, I'll put 4 or 5 of those in my mouth at a time because that'll be about, a drop and a half, which is great. They're a great little natural breath freshener. And again, I'm just boosting my immune system while I'm going throughout my day. So you're going to get another sanitizer mist spray because you've probably used this one up by now because, anytime you feel like your hands have gotten dirty, you're going to be spraying this all over you. So I spray it. I had to wear a mask to come into the library today, so I don't wear masks very often, so they get a little stale. So I've been spraying them on the inside of my mask before I have to put them on, so that's been helpful. So you're going to get another one of these because you're going to want one of these all with you all the time. You're going to get 2 other oils. You're going to get the grapefruit oil and the tea tree oil, which we used to label that Melaleuca, but now it's called tea tree. Same thing. Nothing's changed except the name, but tea tree is just super duper cleansing. It's one I'll put with a couple drops of On Guard into some water and gargle with. Again, just if I feel like a scratchy throat or something's coming on, it's a good zit zapper. It's a good fever blister zapper. It's great for kind of putting behind the ears on the little ones if you feel like their ear fluid is backing up from allergies or maybe they're getting the sniffles. So it's great for that. Grapefruit oil is in there as well, and grapefruit is just one of my favorite citrus oils. Again, we're coming at you with citrus oils in the immunity kit because citrus oils are all cleansing. When you diffuse them, they kill the germs in the air before you can breathe them in. So citrus oils are amazing. And as a partner to the On Guard toothpaste and dental floss that you've already received, you're going to get the On Guard mouthwash. And it's going to be in a little mini travel size, so you can try that and fall in love with it. It's very spicy. It's a little bit sweet. It's got natural sweeteners. It's amazing. It makes my mouth feel wonderful. When I brush my teeth, I follow it up with gargling, clean the throat again. We've learned a lot about viruses this year. If you can clean the throat and keep it clean, you're a lot less susceptible to viruses. And then they're also going to give you a tongue scraper, which I've always been a tongue brusher with my toothbrush, but the tongue scraper is just a metal device that is you can have it forever, and you just scrape the tongue with it, get the germs off the mouth, out of the mouth that way, get the germs off the tongue, and you can do that before or after you brush, and just kind of kick up your oral hygiene to the next level. So, and then in month 3, we're going to get the On Guard for kids is called Stronger. So that's in a roller and it's already diluted for young kids. So I just gave a roller ball of that to my daughter-in-law to use on my 9-month-old twin granddaughters. If they start feeling like, their immune system needs some help in the winter. You're going to get another sanitizing spray. I'm telling you, you're going to go through that stuff like water. So you're going to be so glad it comes every month. And you're going to get some more oils. You're going to get Breathe, which is our respiratory blend. If you've never tried that, it's absolutely amazing for stress, for respiratory issues, anytime you feel congested. You're going to get Frankincense Touch, which is a roller. The Touch name always means it's in a roller and it's diluted with a little coconut oil. So it's kid friendly, adult friendly. Frankincense is amazing for boosting the immune system. And you're going to get an oregano oil. So oregano oil is basically nature's antibiotic. It was Hippocrates' drug of choice for any time somebody was sick thousands of years ago. It's very strong and powerful, so let's make sure we dilute it if we're using it topically. If you're taking it internally, I would definitely use it in a veggie cap, and I would make sure that you have food on your stomach. So you're going to get a holder now for your On Guard sanitizing spray, a cute little, attached to a carabiner that you can just clip to your purse, clip to your backpack, anything like that. And you're going to get some On Guard hand wipes. Now, these are new, brand new. We've never had them. I got a sample of them in my convention kit that I got a couple weeks ago. I love the material that they're made out of. It is recyclable paper, but it doesn't feel like paper. It feels kind of like a luxurious little cloth. The On Guard scent. I used it at the gas pump the last time I was there, and I just felt really clean. I didn't feel dried out. I didn't feel like my nails or my hands were going to get all dry and cracked. And those are amazing. So I'm excited for you to get those in month 3. So again, starting October 1st, sign up for the wellness kit, the immunity wellness kit. Sign up for it once. It'll come at you 3 different times. Nothing to do on your end except have your credit card on file. So $75 will hit your card once a month for those 3 months, and you will get these 3 different kits coming to you. You're going to learn to fall in love with the products. It's an easy and quick way to just be sure that you are protected all winter long. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Comments are welcome below, and you can reach out to me anytime, Mary Lou at awesomenaturalhealing.com. Take care, everybody. Stay well.